Today I'm making caldo de res, or beef soup. Caldo de res is one of my favorite cool weather comfort meals. It's another easy recipe to put together and freezes really well, making it easy to heat up a comforting bowl of soup anytime, which is awesome because I crave this year round. You can turn on subtitles by pressing the CC button or check out the full list of ingredients in the video description. To get this soup going, we're going to need about 10 cups of water, half a teaspoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 Roma tomato, quartered, 2 pounds of beef chuck stew meat and 2 pounds of beef shank, cut into 1 to 2 inch squares, and 1 onion, quartered. Start off by adding your meat nuggets into a massive pot. You want a really big pot for this. Now add in enough water to cover the meat by about an inch or two, maybe 6 cups? Nah, 1 second. Let's do maybe 10 cups total. Turn up the heat to medium-high, watch out for splashes, and get every last drop. Now dump in the onion. Maybe not. Let's gently add in each piece one at a time. Along with the tomato. This pot is really full. The garlic, flavor glitter, give it a quick mix, and remove any scum that forms off the top. I tried using a mesh strainer off camera and found that it was much more effective. Once our cauldron comes to a bubble, add in the cumin. Oh man, that meat water already smells amazing. Turn the heat down, cover, and simmer an hour and a half. Next we're going to add in all our veggies. You're going to need 3 ears of corn, cut in 3 to 4 pieces, 3 Mexican gray squash chopped into roughly 1 inch cubes, or zucchini if you can't find them, half a head of cabbage, quartered, 4 red potatoes, quartered, half a bunch of cilantro roughly chopped, and 2 large carrots, cut in 1 to 2 inch pieces. We're going to start off by contemplating whether or not to dump in the corn, then decide against it and adding 1 popcorn stick at a time. Mix it in, cover, and cook 5 minutes. Decide you're brave enough to dump in the spuds, immediately regret the decision, and again, add them in individually. Carrots I can dump in though. See? No splashes. Another quick mix, cover, and cook another 5 minutes. Now add in your squash and your cabbage. Push everything down so it's all submerged. Cover it up again and cook another 5 minutes or longer depending on your stove before adding in the final touch, soapy herb. I love this stuff, so I'm adding in a ton. Mix it in and do a final taste test for salt. I ended up adding about a tablespoon and a half. That's it. This caldo de res is so easy to put together. It may cook for a couple of hours, but the prep work and assembly couldn't be easier. Serve your caldo with some Mexican rice, tortillas, and lime, and enjoy. This is so good, just like my grandma's. Its greatness really comes from its simplicity using hearty ingredients. I'm not a huge fan of soups that are too soupy. I need something to chew on. You've got soft, moist beef, veggies, rice, and tortillas for dipping. This is the perfect soup. The flavors of the beefy broth, hearty veggies, tomatoey rice, and bright lime melt together so well, making this one of my all-time favorite comfort foods. Depending on your stove, you may need to cook your veggies for a longer amount of time. When I make this on my gas stove, the cooking times I gave are perfect. But on this electric stove, I cook the veggies an extra 30 minutes or so. You just want to get everything to your preferred doneness. Again, this is an incredibly easy soup to make, and it's so worth it. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Share a picture on Instagram and tag me at Michael with 4 H's. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to watch another one, you can click the card over on the right. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please consider subscribing. Would love to have you around, and I hope to see you all next Thursday.